Yes, I did it. I relocated them. They are now in the forest back there somewhere. I didn't get any pea stings. Oh, they're here around still. Yeah, I left a bunch there. So they are pissed. So I better move out of the way. So the nest is gone. I hope the ones who left find a way back home. It's close by, it's only 100 yards. So that's the last one. Tiling on the last little hole what I left there. So let's have fun. Alright, that was it. Things you do on a little island here. Get a piece of your property. So now we can go back to our work chat and get our materials out there. Before nobody was allowed, and we can start building again. So we're gonna build now the next work. Gonna build a wall here, the street down, and things like that. So see you soon. Bye.